Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Past Simple Tense or Simple Past Tense. Review lesson, Lecture 8. Let's discuss about the topic. This is the affirmative or positive form of sentence of past simple tense. We have the subjects he, she, it, singular noun, and further we have subjects I, we, you, they, and plural noun. So whether the subject is singular or plural. In the past simple tense, we add the second form of the verb only, and with regular verb, we add d or ed at the end of it, and then the second form of irregular verb. Then we have objects, like in the examples, we can see he closed the door. Here we add d at the end of regular verb. We have another example, she opened the box. We add ed to the end of the regular verb. Likewise, we have it for cat, ate fish, Tom drove a car, a regular verb. We have further examples. We drank juice. You went to college. They ate fish and boys played games. So the past simple tense is easier than the present simple tense. Whatever the subjects you may have, you have just to use the second form of the verb. Now we move on to the next negative sentence of past simple tense. And if you have the subjects like he, she, it, singular noun, and further we have subjects like I, we, you, they, and plural noun. Then in the negative form, we used did not, or the short form is didn't. And here we make a change. We use the first form of the verb because we cannot use the second form twice. Already we changed do into did. So we have to use the first form of the verb. And then we have objects. Let's see the examples. He didn't close the door. She didn't open the box. It for cat didn't eat fish. Tom didn't drive a car. We have further examples. I or we didn't drink juice. You didn't go to college. They didn't eat fish. And boys didn't play games. We continue our discussion. And now we have interrogative form of past simple tense. In the question form, what we call sometimes, first we use did before the subjects like he, she, it, singular noun, I or we, you, they, plural noun. So what we notice is that we use did before the subjects and then we use the first form of the verb. And after that we have objects. Look at the examples. Did he drink juice? Did she go to college? Did it for cat eat fish? Did Tom drive a car? We have some more examples. Did I or we drink juice? Did you go to college? Did they eat fish? Did boys play games? We continue to discuss about. Now we have interrogative sentence with question words like what, how, when, why, etc. Sometimes we call it double questions. In this case, first we use the question words. Then we add the word did. Then we have subjects like he, she, it, singular noun, I, we, you, they, and plural noun. After these subjects, we have the first form of the verb, and then we have objects. Of course, question mark is very important. Let's see the examples. Why did he drink juice? How did she go to college? When did it happen? Where did Tom drive a car? We have some more examples in this direction. Why did I or we drink juice? How did you go to college? When did they eat fish? When did boys play games? So these are the structures of past simple tense in all its forms. Now we continue to discuss about usage of past simple tense. And the first point is it shows an action that started and finished in the past. Look at the examples. He finished his work. The action started and finished in the past. Likewise, we cooked food last night. They met their friends yesterday. Kids jumped over the wall quickly. So in all these sentences, what we notice, an action started in the past and finished in the past. We move on to the next usage of past simple tense. Point number 2. It shows past habits. How? Let's see. I always went to school. She usually cooked food. You often played tennis. They never worked hard. What we notice, in such cases, we take the help of words like always, usually, often, never to show the habitual action in the past. We move on to the next usage of past simple tense. And point number 3, it shows a series of actions completed in the past. How? Let's see with examples. I finished work, walked to the beach, and met my friends. Look, continuously 3 actions happened one after another. Look at another example. They woke up early, got ready, and went to the office. So a series of events took place in the past. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.